Every aircraft engine has its own unique story. It flies people to many different destinations, to Arctic and icy regions, and to tropical and humid areas, to dusty, hot deserts, and across the oceans of the world. Aircraft engines have to be able to withstand all these adverse conditions and function safely at the same time. And they do, thanks to precise maintenance, like Swiss clockwork. We are SR Technics. With over 2,000 experts, we are one of the world's leading companies for maintenance, repair, and overhaul of aircraft engines. We are curious and innovative, but even more, our more than 500 customers worldwide appreciate our absolute dependability and value-added collaboration, combined with the highest understanding of quality for this technology. This creates the sustainable success that our customers desire. We focus on resource-saving solutions so that we can achieve our net zero target by 2050. And we support emissions research on engines for a sustainable future for us all. Day after day, our highly qualified teams are committed to our mission to fly people safely to their destination with dependable engines. We safely power your flight. SR Technics.